Welcome! Today I will show you how to enable USB debugging on Motorola Edge 70. Firstly, you need to activate developer options on this device. So open settings, go down, and here choose About Phone chapter, go to the device identifiers part, and tap on build number for 7 times at row. Okay, you are now a developer notification here, so back, use the search bar at the top and type in developer. Alright, we have it, developer options. Choose it, then in developer options move down and you will find in debugging section USB debugging mode. Simply switch the toggle and accept the process by using OK key. Okay, now you know how to enable USB debugging on Motorola Edge 70. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe our channel, like this video and comment below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.